Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your 72-hour forecast update. I'm posting this on Monday, June 9th, and this one is for Western Pennsylvania. Now, these are your weather temperatures around 6 o'clock. You can see basically everybody's in the upper 60s to the lower 70s, but where the rain is the heaviest and some thunderstorms have broken out, temperatures have dropped into the lower 60s. Even some places have dropped into the upper 50s. But elsewhere, it's like I said, it's basically in the 70s. Precipitation at 6 o'clock looks like this, and you can see there's some thunderstorms out here out towards Pittsburgh, just to the west of it. And then you can see some storms back up this way, heading up from Du Bois through Bradford and then eastward towards Wellsboro. And there's maybe even a thunderstorm just outside of State College here, too. And then south of Erie up here. And then these will basically move to the east. This is around 8 o'clock. You can see here's a little bit of a line here. Here's a little bit of a line in the higher elevations up here. And then again, back here, you got some rain and some thunderstorms going on. And then as we go through the nighttime hours, they kind of shift east and north. And then a little bit more breaks out as we get to around 2 a.m. out here in the eastern part of our coverage area towards State College and Altoona. And then you can see them things are, they kind of get going again. They refire themselves here around 3 a.m. and they begin to move to the east and then clear the area by morning hours. You should be good. Temperatures, when you're getting up and heading to work at this point in time, shouldn't be too bad. They should be basically upper 50s and lower 60s, so not too bad. During the day tomorrow, temperatures will recover and will actually warm up a little bit. They get into the 70s again and the upper 60s in the afternoon. You do have a chance of a couple of areas where showers break out. If you can see these little dots in here, not much at all, but some areas could even form a small thunderstorm. It's possible. It doesn't show it on here, but it is possible. This is 8 o'clock Tuesday evening. You can see your radar is fairly clean except for a couple sprinkles. As we get into Wednesday, we actually have what looks like a rain-free day on Wednesday. Temperatures on Wednesday, let's see, let's bring them back a little bit here to the daylight hours. Temperatures basically get into the upper 70s in a lot of areas, higher elevations in the lower 70s, but they recover, and it's a fairly nice day on Wednesday. And then as we get into Wednesday night, they clear a little bit. Temperatures drop a little bit, but they're still, this is about 8 o'clock on Wednesday evening. Temperatures are into the 70s at that point in time. Still not bad for an evening, and you're basically rain free into Wednesday evening. All right, I'll update this thing again on, oh, let's see. I guess I'll update this again on Thursday. All right, everybody take care and you be safe.